Imagine this. You walk into the grocery store and suddenly, those heavy water jugs don't feel like back-breaking burdens. They feel like reusable shopping bags. That's not superpowers from a Marvel movie. That's just what happens when you lift weights consistently. Today, I'm sharing 5 superhuman abilities you'll gain if you hit the weights 5 times a week. And no, you don't need a cape, just some dumbbells. Number 1. Super strength. Okay, let's start with the obvious. You'll get stronger, but here's the twist. It's not just about lifting heavy at the gym. You'll notice it when you move furniture, carry groceries, or open those stubborn pickle jars that used to mock you. True story. Weightlifting basically makes you the hero in your own kitchen. Number 2. Faster healing powers. Surprise fact, people who lift weights regularly recover from injuries faster. That's because resistance training increases blood flow, strengthens tendons, and keeps joints healthier. Think Wolverine, but without the claws, or the moody attitude. Number 3, a metabolism that burns like fire. Ever wish you could eat pizza without guilt? Weightlifting helps. Muscle is like a calorie-burning furnace. It burns energy even while you're Netflix binging. Fun fact, every pound of muscle burns about 6 extra calories a day at rest. Doesn't sound like much, but trust me, it adds up faster than online impulse buys. Number 4, supercharged brain power. Here's a cool one. Lifting weights doesn't just build muscle, it builds your brain. Studies show strength training improves memory, focus, and even helps fight off age-related brain fog. Number 5, stress-smashing Zen mode. And finally, weightlifting is like pressing the reset button on stress. It lowers cortisol, boosts endorphins, and gives you that post-workout calm that makes traffic jams and annoying emails feel slightly less evil. Plus, grunting out reps is the most socially acceptable way to yell at inanimate objects. Quick tip, you don't need fancy equipment to start. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges count too. And remember, consistency beats intensity. 5 short sessions a week are better than 1 giant Hulk smash workout you never recover from. So there you have it. Strength, faster healing, a fired-up metabolism, sharper brain, and stress-free. 5 superhuman abilities, all unlocked by lifting weights regularly. If you want to feel like the superhero version of yourself, without radioactive spiders or billion-dollar suits, grab some weights and get started. Your future self will thank you, and maybe even carry all the groceries in one trip. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health hacks, and hey, drop a comment. Which of these superpowers would you want the most? See you next time, superheroes.